So in this video, I wanted to take a quick look at these three mechanical pencils. I've had these for a while now, and I don't use mechanical pencils a lot, so I wouldn't consider myself an expert in them, but I have a need for them now and then, and I have picked up these Kurutogas over the years. What I have here is the standard model, the pipe slide, which I would consider to be an upgrade to the standard model, and then the advance, which is a slight upgrade to the pipe slide. Interestingly, the prices are about the same. They go for about between $7.25 or $7 up to like $7.50 or $8. So there's no real difference to not buy the pipe slide or the advance, unless if you prefer the color scheme of the other models. And there are other models. These are just the three I've purchased over the years. First of all, we have the standard model, and you can see it's mostly plastic, a lot of different color options, see-through body, and it has the defining characteristic of the Kurutoga, which is a a lead system that spins. So as you write and as you press down, you have a little bit of a spongy feel to it that I know not everyone likes. But what that allows is for this inner piece with the lead to spin. And as it spins, it means the part of the lead or the graphite, whatever you want to call it, that you're writing with that's flat spins, so you're not creating a chisel point. And that means a consistent line quality. Once you move up to the pipe slide, it doesn't say pipe slide or anything on it, but you can see that you have, instead of having this piece that's stuck out, which can break or kind of jab you in the leg, you have a system that's hidden. So to expose it, you would just hold this down, press down. The lead will come out. And it has the similar system here, but with the pipe slide, it's spinning much more quickly. I believe it's twice the speed, and we can see I push them down the same number of times. You can see the pipe slide's going much more quickly around. I mean, obviously there's two of these, so keep that in mind, but it is going much more quickly. Just look, one click. So twice the speed, that means the ink is rotating, or sorry, the lead is rotating more quickly. So it's doing its job more efficiently. Pipe slide, obviously, and this piece hides. Those are the two main differences there. This has a number of color options, but again, all plastic components. What the advance is an upgrade of the pipe slide. So you have the same mechanism down here. In this version, you could see more of what's going on in the body, which I thought was very cool. And this one moves to all or mostly metal components. So metal to hide the eraser, metal clip, which is really nice. And down here, this piece, I believe, is also metal. Yeah, I believe that one is metal. And here you can see it has the spin mechanism, and it is the faster spin mechanism. In some of the newer models, they move to that double arrow, which means this, they call it the rotating engine or something like that, and that has the double speed, just like with the pipe slide. So that is the advance. And I don't really see any reason why you wouldn't buy the advance. To me, it is nicer. It has a little bit of extra weight over the other two, so it feels better in my hand, feels better balanced, and better aesthetics. And again, it's like $7.75 instead of $7.50. I'll write with this. I don't know if that's gonna be super interesting, but as you write with it, you could probably just, let's see if I could make out. You could see I'm starting to chisel that away. Spin, and you can see the chisel part. Probably just barely see it moving around. So I obviously put it at a very low angle, so you're not gonna be able to take advantage of the rotating mechanism there. But if you're up here and you're writing and you're leaving the paper, as you do that, you're gonna be pushing down. I'm obviously exaggerating the action here, but it's gonna be spinning more. So that is the main advantage there. If you're just going like at a super low angle, it's not gonna help. But at a higher angle, you're gonna get it. Obviously the trade-off here is there is some sponginess. So when you write, you can feel it pushing down. And it has, you know, maybe 1.5 millimeters, maybe 2 millimeters of play. So that's something you have to keep in mind. And I think that's the major disadvantage of this pencil. When you see people saying they prefer the Delgard series from Zebra, which is the main competitor to this, I think they're generally because they want something without that play there, which I completely understand. And there are some other models that are worth considering, like the Alpha model if you prefer a more of a gel grip, and then some special editions. There's also a rubber grip version, and then the metal versions like the roulette. But I think these ones are the way to go. I think there's a nice weight, and I would definitely recommend the Advanced. It's my favorite of the bunch. So that's it. That's the Uni Kuru Toga line. Really nice mechanical pencils.